Hey you guys, it's Hailey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a very fun video with you guys. I have in my hands this Blendiful by Tati Westbrook. It is her new product and I'm super excited to show you guys if this product works, if it's worth the money, and just if you guys should go out and buy this product. So if you guys would like to see my honest review on her product, then please go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so I zoomed you guys up so we can go ahead and start this review. I'm super excited. I watched lots of videos on this. What it claims to do, how about I open it first so we see. I've never opened it yet, so I'm very excited to see what these look like and how they feel. Again, this is the Blendiful new product by Tati. Oh my gosh, these are so soft, you guys. Oh my god. So these are so cute. They are so soft. I am surprised on how soft they are and I'm so excited. But what these are supposed to do is you can use them. They're kind of like a powder puff in a way, but also they're supposed to replace a powder puff and a beauty blender. So it's kind of like all in one. They have an extra large one here for all over your face. It's supposed to blend out foundation and powder, concealer, and also contour and highlight. And then they have this cute little mini one, which is adorable. And they both have her logo on it, which I absolutely love. Super cute. Both of these retail for $18 all together, which is very affordable in my book because the beauty blender alone at Sephora is $20. So this right here is a steal and I'm hoping that it works. So let's go ahead and dive in. There are lots of reviews already on this product, but of course I needed to get my hands on it and see what I thought of it as well. So I'm just going to do my regular routine and what all the makeup products that I normally use, like my L'Oreal foundation, my E.L.F concealer, just highlight, bronzer, everything, so we can see how this works and put it to the test. So also, if you see the lighting going in and out, it's because I'm trying to use natural lighting so you guys can really see my skin. I do have acne flare-ups and acne scarring, so I'm hoping that these products will go ahead and help me cover those up. So before the sun goes down, I'm trying to see if I can film this video. But first, I'm gonna put on some lip balm. This is the Mario Badescu Rose Lip Balm. I love this stuff. Keeps your lips super hydrated. So now let's jump into putting on foundation. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some primer on my face. According to Tati's video, if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it down below as well. But according to Tati's video, you can use this with pore filling primer, but I normally don't use pore filling primer. So I'm gonna put my face primer on that I normally use. I use the L'Oreal Magic Lumi. I believe that I used this primer in my previous My Go-To Products video. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will try to link it up here for you guys to watch that video. So let's go ahead and blend this in. Okay, so I just primed my skin. I also, after using that L'Oreal primer, just went in and sprayed my face with the NYX Bear With Me. This is their Prime, Set, and Refresh spray. I love this spray so much. So I can't wait to put this to the test right now. You guys, this is so soft. So it's great because it has this unique shape to it. It's pointed right here, so it's very easy to use with concealer and blend everything out in those little corners that you need. And of course, this cute little one right here you can also use for that, but I'm mainly going to be using this larger one today. So I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal foundation. This is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Also, I will have all the products that I use listed down below in the description box. All right, you guys, let's put this thing to the test. So I just grabbed about that much foundation and I'm going to go ahead and just dot it on my face. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do or if you're supposed to put it on the product first or not, but we're going to find out. So I'm going to go in, I'm probably going to pinch it. What's really cool about this Blendiful is that you can pinch and it's very flexible, which I really like. So I'm going to take the extra product that's on my hand and let's see how this works. So I know a lot of people in their reviews said it's really good to dab instead of like swiping. So I'm going to go ahead and do these dabbing and pressing motions right off the bat. Excuse my mirror. Right off the bat, it seems like it's blending in my foundation so nicely. Everything looks seamless. Hopefully that's picking up on the camera with this natural light. But it seems like it's really getting into my skin, which is what I like because it gives that flawless finish, which is what all of us are looking for, especially when applying foundation. Let's see how it covers up this little mark on my face. Not bad, not bad. This foundation is also more medium to full coverage, so you definitely need to build up this foundation, but this is looking so good. I might do one more layer just to see what it looks like. All right, you guys, this is my skin after about a pump and a half of foundation. My skin looks unreal. It looks so airbrushed, and all I did was kind of bend the Blendiful. As you can tell, the foundation's right there, but it doesn't feel like it seeped in to the product. But all I did was just these little patting motions. You definitely don't want to sweep it on because it might look streaky, but even though she claims there's supposed to be no streaks, but this looks so good. So let's go ahead and do our concealer now. I'm going to use the E.L.F HD Lifting Concealer, and let's see how this looks. I can't wait to see how it blends out concealer, because that's always like my pet peeve with brushes or sponges. My concealer just never blends correctly for me. So let's see what this looks like. Put some under the eyes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and also put some under this eye. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna use that pointy side now on this sponge, or Blendiful. I always want to call it a sponge because that's what I'm used to using. So I'm just kind of bending it on this little pointy side right here, and just kind of, again, pressing it into my skin. Let's see how this works. Wow, you guys, this Blendiful is unreal. It just made that concealer go so seamlessly into my face. Let's see how it works under the eyes, because I have really dry under eyes, so I always have to use eye cream and just super hydrating products. Oh my god, you guys, hopefully you can see that. My under eyes look flawless. I am so amazed right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna keep blending this out. My skin looks flawless. I'm gonna see if I can look how smooth, even the under eyes, everything just looks like it's so well put together, and I'm obsessed. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys out. Now I'm going to go ahead and use powder with this. I'm going to use my translucent powder from Rimmel, and I'm going to go ahead and use this other side of the sponge. So I'm going to use this corner right here, and I'm just going to bend it. I love this product because you can bend it. I feel like so many other powder puffs you can bend, but they don't have those angles to where you can really get in the corners. So I'm going to go ahead and see how this works with powder. Again, I have really dry under eyes, so sometimes when I set things with powder, it just feels super dry under my eyes, but this made it look so flawless. And it feels super soft underneath my eyes too, because of it being this really nice fabric. But it really is setting my under eyes and my lids so perfectly. My skin just looks so airbrushed. I am amazed. I'm going to keep trying out this product too, and I'm going to try to update you guys within the next couple of days as well as to if I'm going to keep using this and replace it from using my brushes and my sponges, because if I can just use this, that would be great. But that looks amazing. Okay, I'm not going to set my, actually yes, I will set my whole face with powder because I want to see what this would look like too, or at least just my T-zone. So I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty. This is their finishing powder. I love this powder too when I just need a little bit more matte to my face. So I'm going to use that same side that we used for the powder, and I'm just going to go ahead. Again, this is a pressed powder, a little bit different than a loose powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that into my skin and just into my T-zone because that's where I kind of get oily. I have more combination skin. But it is applying this powder so flawlessly. I mean, this is just unreal. I am so amazed right now. My skin does not look cakey. It's just insane. And again, I'm just using those patting motions. You don't want to swipe. But you guys, this looks insane. Okay, so next I normally do highlighter. Some people use bronzer, but I'm going to do highlighter next. And I am so intrigued on how this Blendiful works with highlight. So I'm going to use the Smashbox highlighter right here, and I'm going to blend these two shades together. And now I'm going to take this little side right here of the Blendiful, and I'm just going to dip into both those shades, and let's see what it does to my cheekbones. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Excuse the washer and dryer going off back there. You guys can hear that beeping noise. So sometimes when I apply highlighter, it tends to look not chalky, but sometimes it does depending on what brush you use and depending on the highlighter. But I'm just gonna build this up. You guys, this looks insane. Do you see that on the camera? I mean, compared to this side, there is a little bit of a glow just because of the dewiness of the primer that I put on, the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. But look at that highlighter. I mean, come on, this is like flawless application. All right, you guys, so I put on my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown because I couldn't stand looking at myself without stuff in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and now put on some bronzer. I did put on highlighter on this side too, and look at that. I mean, holy crap, this is like insane on how glowy and like just so airbrushed my skin looks. It's unreal, you guys. Okay, so now I am super intrigued by putting bronzer on with this because normally I go in with like a Morphe M523 brush like this to use my bronzer. Yes, it's really dirty. I know I need to clean it. I need to clean all my brushes. But to use this, I'm going to go ahead and actually use the clean side. So I'm just going to flip this little thing over, which is awesome. So I use that side, but I just flip this over. And I'm super intrigued to see how bronzer goes on. Because when I was watching reviews, people's bronzers were looking amazing and so blended into their skin. So let's see how this looks. I'm going to go in with this is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. I do need to get a lighter shade of this because this is kind of too dark for my skin tone, but let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to, again, bend this Blendiful and kind of pat it in. And now with this, you're just supposed to kind of bend it and then just press back and, oh my god. Are you kidding me? Do you guys see this? No freaking way. You guys, I mean, compared to this side, look at my face. What? Oh my gosh. I think this is my new favorite product. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, let's try the forehead. My skin just looks so airbrushed. I mean, go Tati. This is like insane. What in the... I mean, my brush doesn't even do this. This is crazy. I look so bronzed and contoured. Okay, let's try the other side. Sometimes this side gets tricky because I always do my right side better, I feel like. Also, if you guys have tried this product, please let me know your thoughts on it down in the comments because I would love to know what you guys think of this and if you feel like this is going to replace your beauty blender or your brushes. I would love to know. I mean, look at that. What the heck? My skin looks insane. Hopefully this is all picking up flawless on camera too because in person, my skin looks bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with blush now. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush. And this is super pretty. I'm going to use it on the same side that I did with the bronzer. But I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of bend it to this clean side. And let's see how it applies powder blush. Apparently you can use liquid with this too. You can use liquid highlighter. You can use contour with it as well. But let's see. When I was watching Katie's application of blush, oh my gosh, that just sold me on buying the product because her blush looked amazing. I mean, you guys, look how flawlessly this blush is just blending into everything. Like, how in the world did Tati do this? And all I'm doing is just kind of stamping into the blush and just patting it into my face so it seeps in. This looks unreal. I cannot wait to wake up in the morning and use this because it's like 5 o'clock right now my time, so I will have to take this off. But I just can't stop staring at myself. This is insane. If you guys have not picked this up, I seriously recommend it because this is amazing. And I'm sure this little mini one is amazing too. So if you guys have not bought this yet, I will link it down below if you guys want to purchase it, because 2 of these for $18, that's insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and come back on camera and let you guys know my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so as the sun's going down, I need to finish up this video, but my overall thoughts is this product is insane in such a good way. I love it. The texture of this fabric is so soft. It made my makeup look so flawless. I just can't get over this right now. I mean, I haven't seen my makeup look this good in forever. And Tati, you did the damn thing, because this thing, my face, I mean, you guys look at that highlight. My highlighter, my blush, my bronzer, everything's just blending in so seamlessly, and I can't get over it. I just can't get over it. So I will have these products listed down below for you guys in the description box. It's that little arrow that drops down. I will have the link to purchase these. Again, it's only two of these come in this cute little package from Tati that says Blendiful on it. 2 of these for $18. To me, I think it was like $22 with shipping and tax and everything, which to me is still affordable. For 2 of these, you're basically getting the cost of 1 beauty blender, which is amazing. And instead of me having to use all these brushes that I use for my face on a daily basis and only have to use this one little thing, that to me is just amazing. So I'm super excited to keep using this. I'm gonna start using this for like the next week or so, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts if I just kept using it or if I wanted to use my brushes instead. But right now, I really feel like I would want to keep using this because my skin looks unreal. I look like I have a filter on my face, and I don't. That's how amazing my face looks, especially in person. So I really hope it's picking up on camera this amazing, because Tati, you made my skin look bomb. So if you guys, again, don't have this, I will have it linked down below. I will also have Tati's channel linked down below if you guys want to see how she uses it and her review on it and everything like that. But if you guys love this video, please give it a big thumbs up, since it does help out my channel a lot. And if you haven't already, please hit the big red subscribe button down below. That'll help notify you every time I upload a new video. And I'm gonna go ahead and wear this on my face for a couple more hours, because now I just feel like I look amazing. I mean, again, that highlighter is just doing some things for me right now. I'm like amazed. I can't stop looking at the mirror. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Again, if you guys have used these or you're thinking about purchasing them, let me know what your thoughts are on this down below in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.